Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and those who have already subscribed my channel, you're the best. So in this video, we'll talk about another HR interview experience of Wipro NLTH 2021. Before we move on to the questions, I would like to tell you all that stay safe, stay at home. The condition is getting worse and worse day by day. Go out only if it is very necessary. So now without any further ado, let's quickly move on to the questions and see when was it scheduled, what all questions were asked, how is it different from other HR interview experiences. So this interview was scheduled on 9th of April 2021, another recent HR interview experience. So let us quickly see what all questions were asked. So the first question that was asked was introduce yourself but in a different way. Let us see how in a different way. So when he joined the meeting, the interviewer asked him that told him that I'm going through your resume and in that time you introduce yourself, tell me something about yourself that is not there in your resume. Okay, so you have to be prepared for these unexpected questions that the HR might ask. There you have to show your presence of mind, how quickly you answer, how nicely you answer such questions. Okay, so what he did was his family details were not there in the resume, so he told the interviewer about that. Also his project was not mentioned in the resume, although projects should be mentioned in resume. Okay, so his project was not mentioned in the resume, so he told him about his project. And the next thing was interest in cricket. So his interest in cricket, maybe his hobby was playing cricket, so that was also not mentioned. So he told the interviewer about these three things that were not there in the resume. Next question was, apart from playing cricket, how do you involve yourself in free time? So the interviewer wanted to know that what else do you do in your free time? What else do you like to do? What else are your hobbies? Do you like reading books? You like cooking? You like gardening? What all do you like? Okay. Next question, what's your opinion about offline teaching and online teaching? Which is better? So the interviewer wanted to know this candidate's opinion on offline teaching and online teaching. So it was kind of, you have to tell me what do you prefer, offline teaching or online teaching. Also, the interviewer wanted to know the pros and cons of offline teaching and online teaching both. Okay. Next question, have you won any trophy in cricket? So as the candidate mentioned previously that he has interest in cricket, he likes playing cricket. So the interviewer asked him, have you won any cricket? Have you won any trophy in cricket? So if he had won, he must have said yes. Next question, tell me your strengths. This is the frequently asked questions, one of the frequently asked questions in HR interviews about strengths and weaknesses. So you have to be prepared with all these questions before. And these are the questions that you know that the interviewer might ask you these questions. So obviously you'll prepare all of these questions before sitting for the interview. Next question was why Wipro? Yeah, so there are many service-based companies like TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, and DXC and others. But why do you want to join Wipro? What is that one thing that you like about Wipro, or what are the things that you like about Wipro? So the interviewer wanted to know that has this candidate done enough research before sitting for this interview? Does he know about Wipro or not? So these are the things that the interviewer wants to know. Okay. Next question. Okay, so the last question, I guess, yes, this is the last question. Yeah. So this question was about relocation and service agreement questions. Okay, so very basic and very frequently asked question. Are you ready to relocate? Do you have any problem in relocation or not? And the next question was, do you know about the service agreement that Wipro has for its freshers? So do your research before sitting for the interview. I have said this a number of times, and I have said this in almost all of my videos. So do research about the company before sitting for the company. Do research about the role, the service agreement, and everything about that company. Okay. And I'm very delighted to tell you that he got his letter of intent on, just a minute. He got his letter of intent on 29th April in the morning at 7 a.m. like he mentioned, to be exact. So many of you were asking that how many days does it take for the results to be out. So his interview was scheduled on 9th April, and then he got his letter of intent on 29th April. So that is 20 days after the interview. So like I said before also, that it usually takes 15 to 20 days. If you're watching this video, congratulations to you. So that's all about this interview experience. We'll be back with another interview experience maybe tomorrow or day after. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching.